if you had an animal tongue? What if you had an animal tongue again? What if one day when you woke up you felt a little bit strange and you discovered that the tongue in your mouth was now very different? What if overnight a wild animal tongue has taken its place? Komodo dragon. A Komodo dragon sticks out its long yellow tongue to snag air samples, pressing its tongue to a special sensor on the roof of its mouth. Lets it smell/taste what it collected. It's how the dragon locates the meat it eats, such as deer, pig, or water buffalo, which it senses as far as 5 miles away. Fact: a Komodo dragon tongue tip is forked to sense if the smell/taste is stronger to the left or the right. And then it has this. Oh, I see the tongue. Look. Komodo dragon tongue. Not the dragon. Okay. Tube-lipped nectar bat. A tube-lipped nectar bat's tongue is one and a half times longer than its body, so long that it's attached inside its rib cage instead of its mouth stretched out. Its tongue is long enough to feed on the sweet nectar in the bottom of tubular flowers that are too long for short-tongued bats to reach. And here it is. Wow, that's a long tongue. Wow, wow. Okay, so imagine just sitting down and just stretching out your tongue and drinking whatever you want to drink or whatever. And then tiger. A tiger's tongue is sandpapery rough with backward-facing spines that flex and turn with each lick. These come fuzzy snarls and snots from its fur, spending as much as a quarter of its walking time licking keeps the tiger one well-groomed big cat. Yeah. Fact: a tiger's tongue spines are cone-shaped and curved backwards toward its throat, just right for picking up a drink one lick at a time. And then it shows this guy licking someone's hair. I don't think I would like that type of haircut, but okay. Oh, there's a salamander tongue. A web-toed salamander. A web-toed salamander tongue shoots out of its mouth so fast it can do 10 tongue punches in the same time it takes a human to blink once. Scientists believe muscles wrapped around the salamander's tongue are what power this action, like pulling a rubber band so far it snaps. Pow. Fun fact: when fully extended, a web-toed salamander tongue in about half its body length minus the tail. And then it shows this girl breaking a piano in one punch with her tongue. With the imagination. Okapi or something, I don't know. An okapi's tongue is very handy at meal times. Its tongue wraps around and pulls in mouthfuls of leaves, fruit, or twigs. At bath time, its tongue licks its body clean, even its eyes and big ears. And okapi's tongue is purplish black. Scientists believe this color protects the tongue from getting sunburned. And then it has this picture of somebody grabbing apples with a tongue. Chameleon. A chameleon's tongue has a suction cup tipped coated with saliva so gooey it's 400 times thicker than human spit. No wonder whatever a chameleon snags with its tongue stays caught. Fact, a chameleon's saliva is so sticky that its tongue can haul really big prey into its mouth without losing its grip. And then it has somebody playing with a frisbee with their tongue. Alligator snapping turtle. Alligator snapping turtle. An alligator snapping turtle's tongue tip is topped with a red worm shaped lump. When the turtle opens its mouth and wiggles its tongue, the wormy part seems alive. When fish can't resist taking a closer peek, the turtle snaps its mouth shut. Dinner time. Fact: an alligator snapping turtle's hatchling already has a fake worm on its tongue, ready to trick its first meal. And then there's that. Okay. Red-belted woodpeckers. A red-bellied woodpecker's tongue can stretch out nearly 3 times longer than its beak, stiffed by bones all the way to barbed tip. It spares its meal, such as wood. Boring beetle larva. Fact: a red-bellied woodpecker's tongue tip has special muscles that move it left, right, and around, helping it remove speared food from tree trunk tunnels. And then it has somebody popping balloons with her tongue. Wolf. A wolf's tongue keeps it cool without wetting its coat and chilling its skin. Instead of sweating, a wolf pants, forcing air to flow over its sloppy saliva-wet tongue. As the saliva dries, this acts like air, conditioning it to cool the wolf off, even when it's running flat out. Fact: in wolf groups called packs, tongue licks are a way to show respect to the alphas, the pack dash the pack leaders. And then it shows somebody running with the tongue sticking out. Blue-tongued skink. When a blue-tongued skink sticks its tongue out, it means boo. It does this when an enemy such as a brown falcon comes close with luck. The colorful tongue startles the hunter long enough for the skin to escape. Skink. And nurture somebody. Oh, I think they're hypnotizing the dentist to not pull out their teeth or something. I don't know. A gar. A gar's tongue, like the farm cow's cousins, has a 25,000 taste buds, more than twice as many as a human tongue. The gar is strictly a plant eater, and all those taste buds let it quickly sense plants it can safely eat. Fact: a gar uses tongue licks to say your family, so mating pairs lick each other and mothers lick their calf. And then there's somebody licking ice cream because he wants to taste it. No, I don't want to lose a page. A wild animal tongue could be fun for a while, but you don't need your tongue to catch frisbees, pick apples, or pop balloons. And you don't need your tongue to style hair or cool off. So if you could keep a wild animal's tongue for me, then a day which kind would be right for you? Luckily, you don't have to choose the tongue in your mouth. The tongue in your mouth will always be a human tongue. It's what you need to taste, chew, spit, and swallow. Plus, it's what you need to whistle, sing, and talk. Whatever you do, keep your tongue in your mouth because that's polite in most of the world. But if you visit Tibet, stick your tongue out whenever you meet someone. There it's the way to say hello. And blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Other books you can get blah blah blah. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. And that's it. And that's the story. What if you had an animal tongue? Next video, peace out.